Hi to all, welcome back to your channel Smoothing Life. Hope all are doing good. So today was a rainy day and my son wanted to have some popcorn. So I have these corn. Going to prepare popcorn in a cooker. For this I have added 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, add little salt and turmeric powder. Add the corn and keep frying on high flame until the corn starts popping. Once it starts popping, I am going to add little chili powder for an extra flavor. Now cover the cooker lid along with the washer. Remove the whistle. Keep tilting until the popcorn is done. Once the popping sound stops, the popcorn is ready. For dinner, I am going to prepare prawns along with potato fingers. Now I have cleaned the prawns, preparing a masala out of tomato. I have taken half of 1 tomato, 2 green chilies. Adding 1 clove, 1 piece of cinnamon and 1 elaichi. Add little pudina leaf, few curry leaves. Grind into a smooth paste. Now add this paste to the prawns. I am adding a pinch of green color. This is optional. Now add coriander powder, turmeric powder and jeera powder. Add salt as per taste. Give a mix. I am adding corn flour as well as maida. Quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Fry the prawns until crisp. I have taken around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Take little oil as I'll be frying the potatoes in the same oil. To the leftover marination, I am going to cut potatoes into thin finger stripes. Give a mix, add salt if required. Now fry these potatoes until crisp. When the potato is done, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. Keep mixing. Add curry leaves. Now place the fried prawns on top of it. So a very tasty and prawns fry is ready. All of you do try it this way. It's very tasty. The previous day was a rainy day and today the climate has completely changed. For today's breakfast, I am going to prepare cheesy dosa. For the dosa, I had soaked 1 glass of dosa rice and quarter glass of urad dal for 4 to 5 hours the previous day, and I had ground it in the night, adding salt, fermented it overnight. In the morning, before preparing the dosa, I had added a pinch of baking soda half an hour before. Now prepare the dosa. To get crispy dosas, there is no need of adding cooked rice or poha. You can directly grind white rice, that is the dosa rice, and urad dal together and then ferment. To the dosa, I am going to add a teaspoon of cooking oil. You can add either butter or ghee. Flip it. I have the green peas masala. Add this on one side of the dosa. Add few chopped onion, few grated cheese, sprinkle chili powder for extra spiciness. Now fold it this way. Add little oil and fry on both the sides until crisp. For lunch, I am going to prepare green peas masala with coconut and fish curry. I had already put both the recipes earlier, so not going to show a detailed recipe. For the fish curry, I am going to take rani fish. My son doesn't eat some of the fishes, so I am going to add prawns to the curry. Now the fish curry as well as the green peas masala is ready for lunch. For the evening tea, I am going to prepare a sweet out of plantain leaf. For this, I have taken plantain leaves. I had grated jaggery and grated the coconut, added little beaten rice to it. Now this dough is made out of boiled rice. I had soaked it for 4 to 5 hours and then grind it along with few fennel seed and salt. Now preparing these ila ada. This recipe too I had already put in my earlier video. It's a very simple recipe. You'll have to grind the rice and then prepare it as shown. Fill the stuffing. You can either take sugar along with grated coconut or jaggery. It depends as per the taste, but jaggery tastes better. The stuffing is very simple. You can take grated coconut, grated jaggery and a pod of cardamom. Mix all these ingredients. I had added little poha so that while steaming the jaggery water doesn't comes out. I have added poha to it, that is the beaten rice, so that while steaming, when the jaggery water comes out, the poha will start absorbing the extra water. Now steam it for 20 to 25 minutes on high flame. So a quick and tasty evening snack is ready. For dinner, I am going to prepare a rice roti. I have this leftover rice, what I had used for the evening sweet dish. The same dough I am going to prepare roti out of it. Now fry these rotis on a tawa by applying oil on both the sides. So this was my vlog today. Hope all of you liked it. Also please do not forget to like and comment on my video. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe my channel. We'll be back with many more recipes. Until then, bye and take care.